Assalamu alaikum, Oman. Hope you all people are doing fine. Basically, this topic what I'm going to cover is not in the chapter number 1 of your D3. We were doing the chapter number 1 D3, and we have already discussed with completing scale formula, quadratic equations, how they work with each other, and how the conversion actually happens. But this particular concept is from exercise 2E that we were previously discussing just before the vacations. So I just want to complete that particular topic. I was waiting for the day when you have 2 lectures, and today we have got that. So we have done with the elimination method. Now the today topic will be substitution method. Okay, how to solve the equation simultaneously by substitution method. You already know that what is meant by solving an equation. Solving an equation means to find the value of the unknown. X and Y are the unknowns obviously there. Now for the solution, if you remember what we used to do in elimination method, we used to simply multiply the value of x with the reverse coefficients. Then we used to subtract or add the equation according to the signs, and then get the value of y, and then substitute it back to get the value of x. Now there is a little bit of difference there. In substitution method, you will not equate the values. You will separate the values. Got it? I have separated the value of x from equation 1. Always take x value in the separation with equation number 1. Take it as a reference for time being. There is some short hint, but I will tell you later. Okay, so what I've done, this equation has been separated there. If you can see, 5y has been shifted to the other side. So it is 2x is equal to 12 was already there, but 5y goes there to be negative. And then I will divide 2 on the right side to find x. So this is my equation that I have find out. And always name this equation as A, not name it as 2, 3 or what. Because this is the final answer. We will substitute our final answer from there. We will get x from there. Okay. Now you will put this x in the other equation. Please make sure this. If you have separated the value of x from this equation, you will put this value in this equation. Okay? You cannot put the same equation by taking the same equation. The initial equation that you have chosen to separate x, we are always going to be choose equation number 1 as. So you will substitute the value in other equation. Okay? Only then the answer will be there. Otherwise the equation will become 0 equal to 0. That will be satisfied, but we won't get the answers. So now what I have done, 3 was as it is. In place of x, I marked this number. From where it comes, you have already separated that. Minus 2y is equal to minus 1 is written same. Okay, so this is a substitution. This is why it is called substitution method, because we have put the value of a particular variable from one equation and taking it on the other equation. Now you will simply multiply the 3 with the bracket numbers, that is 36 minus 15y. Calculators can be done to do that. Very comfortable calculation, I feel. And then there is one thing remaining, that this 2 is not in the denominator of this complete value. It is only under this value. So I will take the LCM of 2, and this 2 will be multiplied with the remaining 2y to become that 4y. Okay. Then I will cross multiply this 2 on the other side. It is coming out to be minus 2. And you already know that once we are done with the LCM, we have to shift variable on left side and take all the constants on right side. So this is what I have done. This 36 has been shifted on this side. This becomes minus 36. Now both the signs are negative on both sides, so it will add up and the sign will remain negative. That is what I have done, minus 19 and minus 38. And this minus 19 is in multiple of y. So this will go in the divider and we will get y equal to 2. Calculator can be used there. So y is equal to 2 is what we have got. And then we will put this y is equal to 2 in this value equation that we have separated. Do not use any other equation. In fact, you can use this equation, whatever. But best way is to go simply with this equation. This is the best way because the x is already separated there. You just simply have to solve it. So I have put y is equal to 2 there. 12 minus 5y was there. I have written 5 into 2. Now I will multiply them. This becomes 10, and the subtraction and divider will give me x is equal to 1. So remember, you already know the solution set always gets the value of x first and the value of y later. It doesn't matter you find x first or y first. The solution set must be like x value and y value. So this is the solution set of the question. So I hope this will be a very comfortable story for you people. And you will practice the mentioned question that I have given you in this particular exercise with the substitution method, not with the elimination method, okay? Because in the Cambridge exams, it's maybe sometime mentioned that you have to solve the equations by this method. If nothing is mentioned, it's your choice. I will prefer to go with the elimination method as well, just we have discussed earlier. But, you know, if he has mentioned to go with substitution method, then, you know, you have to do this particular way. So if there are any confusion and queries, you are always welcome to ask, and you will practice the given questions that I have marked you in the diary. Okay, thank you very much.